A toast to understanding. Let's make a toast, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular phrase that you might have heard in movies, during celebrations, or even read in books. Let's make a toast. This expression is more than just about bread, and today, we're going to explore its cultural and linguistic significance. Stay tuned to discover how this phrase can add a special touch to your celebrations and conversations. When someone says, "Let's make a toast," they're not talking about cooking bread until it's crispy. Instead, this phrase is an invitation to celebrate a moment, person, or event by raising a glass of drink. It could be wine, champagne, or even a non-alcoholic beverage, and saying a few heartfelt words or wishes. The essence of making a toast is to honor, celebrate, or wish well, creating a shared moment of positivity and reflection among those present. The tradition of toasting has roots that go deep into history, spanning various cultures and centuries. While the exact origin is debated, one popular theory suggests that the term comes from the ancient practice of placing a piece of toasted bread into drinks to improve their flavor. Over time, this practice evolved into the modern act of raising a glass and speaking words of goodwill, without the actual bread. Understanding this evolution helps us appreciate the richness and depth of the tradition we partake in when we say, "Let's make a toast." Making a toast is more than just clinking glasses. It's about conveying feelings and connecting with others. Here are a few steps to consider. 1. Get everyone's attention. You can gently tap your glass with a utensil or simply stand and announce that you'd like to make a toast. 2. Begin with a greeting or introduction. This could be as simple as saying, "I'd like to make a toast to." 3. Speak from the heart. Share your good wishes, thoughts, or a short story about the person or event you're toasting to. Remember, sincerity trumps length. 4. Conclude your toast. Finish with a clear ending, such as, "Here's to the reason for the toast." 5. Raise your glass and take a sip. This final step seals the toast and invites others to join in the sentiment. Toasts are versatile and can be made on a variety of occasions, such as weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, professional achievements, or even small gatherings with friends and family. Each occasion might have its own tone and type of toast, from formal to light-hearted. The key is to match your words and demeanor to the moment, ensuring your toast enhances the celebration. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful tradition of making a toast and how you can incorporate it into your celebrations. "Let's make a toast" is more than just a phrase. It's an invitation to pause, reflect, and connect with those around us through words of goodwill and celebration. Remember, the most memorable toasts are those that come from the heart. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Cheers to your learning journey.